Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform hard reset of Bosch Dishwasher SPV. So in the first step, turn on your appliance, and if your control panel works, we can do it by the settings menu, but if not, try to hold the power button for 4 seconds at start. Okay, how to open the settings menu? Hold the setup button for 3 seconds. Then go to click on the setup button again until you see RE function. Oh sorry, I just missed it. Okay, there we have a RE. This is a factory reset function. If you want to perform, click on the start button and click on this button again to confirm your choice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.